Since November, December of 2018, we've been supporting the Peer Learning Initiative on partnered research programs organized by IDRC and the South African NRF, and to support really all member organizations of the Global Research Council. We had 9 funding organizations who submitted material on their partnered research programs to us, which we analyzed, did some follow-up interviews to try and figure out really 3 separate areas. First of all, how do you design a partnered research program? By which we mean any kind of program where you're drawing together an academic and a non-academic partner as a minimum in some kind of a funded project. Secondly, how do you monitor those kinds of programs and the individual awards in those programs? And finally, how do you evaluate them? So it was a really interesting exercise to look across what was in the end 21 different programs, and we really came to a number of conclusions. First of all, there are quite a few things that many funders have in common in terms of the challenges they face with these kinds of programs. And one of the main ones is really to try and make these 2 different spheres, the academic and the non-academic. And non-academic can be commercial or public sector, NGOs, anything like that. How to make these 2 spheres kind of work together efficiently and effectively, and to avoid any kind of potentially conflicting interests. And that can happen right at the start of the program design, where you have to think, what is the aim of the program? And can academic and non-academic aims be unified and actually be mutually reinforcing? And the same thing occurs while an award is ongoing, right? So what kind of activities ought to be prioritized? And right to the end, where you have to ask, well, what constitutes a successful award funded as part of a partnered research program?